Learn how to use your picture, all right, as your profile picture in Gmail so that whenever you send email to somebody, they will see that picture and easily identify you.
The first step is to launch your Gmail mobile application. As your Gmail mobile app opens, tap on your profile icon, which is likely to be at the top right. So here I'm using an iPhone and mine is at the top right, which is G. So I'll tap on that G icon. This will take you to a page that looks like this. Tap on the photo icon beside that your profile later. Alright, you can see that camera icon there. Tap on it. Gmail will suggest some illustrations to you, but that's not what we need here. So tap on browse or take a photo. Then you are provided with some options. Select photo library. This has opened the Photos app of my iPhone showing me some images. So I will tap on my picture which I want to use as a profile here. So let me tap on this. Then tap on the tick sign at the top right. Alright, you can now position it how you want it to be. But I'm okay the way it is because it captures my face already. The next step is to tap on the next button. Then tap on the option Save as Profile Picture. So wait for it to be saved and we are good. So I can tap on the X sign at the top left. So you can see my profile picture at the top there. So whenever I send email to somebody, this my profile picture will appear. It's a good customization.
If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section so that YouTube will push this video to more people. See you some other time.